Nasaktan ako but may mas masasaktang iba pag ipinagpatuloy namin. Pinaka-hate ko ang mga cheater and yet I was one of them. LDR kami ng boyfriend ko at 5 years na kami ngayon. But I've committed a big mistake and I cheated on my boyfriend. Last September, I wasn't feeling well at ang taas ng BP ko. Tumawag ako sa boss uncle ko to inform. Paggabi na rin noon at nasa out of town pala siya. Tinawagan niya yung tauhan niya na maghatid ng gamot sa akin. Etong lalaking to ay married and he is 5 years younger than me. And before pa lang ay nagpaparamdam na talaga siya sa akin. I rejected him kasi alam kong married siya. By the way, he is a Muslim. I really don't know what happened that time na naghatid siya ng gamot. Hindi agad siya umalis and kept on insisting na i-monitor niya yung BP ko. Pero ang ending ay dito siya natulog sa boarding house and may nangyari sa amin. Hindi ko man lang napigilan yung sarili ko and I let him touch every part of my body na halos hindi nagawa yun ng boyfriend ko. Kahit na yung boyfriend ko yung nakauna sa akin. Fast forward ay nag-training sila almost 2 months and I'm so grateful na hindi ko na siya nakikita kasi nasa malayong lugar na yung training nila. But then December last year after their training, he came back after 2 days. He visited me, checking on me kasi that time may kagagaling ko lang din sa sakit. I didn't entertain him kasi ayoko na, but then again for the second time, I fell for his words, his touch, his concern. We had sex again and halos gabi-gabi na siyang nandito sa boarding house namin at may nangyayari sa amin. Alam ko sa sarili ko na nahuhulog na ako sa kanya. I confess but he said the word, kabit ka if itutuloy natin to. And that shattered me and make me realize na hindi nga pala kami pwede dahil both committed and sex body lang talaga ang pwede niyang i-offer. Nung naghiwalay kami na triggered yung anxiety and breakdown ko na halos every night ay umiiyak ako because of guilt. Because I miss him, because I was still hoping. Nasaktan ako but may mas masasaktang iba kapag pinagpatuloy namin. Never in my wildest dream na maging ganito dahil pinalaki ako ng tama. And pinaka-hate ko ang mga cheater yet I was one of them. Right now ay okay kami ng boyfriend ko and planning to get married. I'm still bothered but thought that I've cheated on my boyfriend. Nakukonsensya ako, Mami Lens. Please help me. Magko-confess ba ako sa boyfriend ko or let things be? Since hindi naman kami nahuli. But may mga malapit kaming kaibigan na nakakaalam sa affair. Letter sender, Shaira. Let things be kasi hindi kayo nahuli. Kaya naman sinamantala mo. Puro ka pakipot pero tumitihaya ka. Really ba na nagigilty ka pero umaasa ka? You miss a lot. My God, pinalaki kang tama. Linis-linisan ka ante kahit yung sunrocks mahihiya na sa'yo eh. I-confess mo para mauntog sa'yo. Don't get married if you're not 100% sure utang na loob. It's clear that you are not yet ready. Let him go. Pati ako napapa-ingles sa gigil ko sa'yo eh. Hindi kanya deserve eh. Papakasal ka pero iba yung iniisip mo. He deserves someone better. Kasi baka sa huling mga tika kung kailan kasal na kayo, rehas yung humima sa'yo.